This call may be recorded for quality and training purposes.
Hi, thank you for calling 24/7 PC support. My name is Christopher. How may I help you?
I got a pop-up on my computer saying my computer was infected.
Oh, got a pop-up on your computer says it's infected?
Yeah.
Don't worry, sir. I can help you on that. Did you go to any unauthorized website, like, any movie downloads, song downloads, or anything like that?
Not usually, no.
Okay, are you the only one using a computer, or?
Yeah, it's my personal computer, yeah.
Okay. Don't worry, sir. Let me check on that. Let me see what's going on, and I can help you with this.
Okay.
Are you in front of your computer right now?
Yeah.
All right. Could you open up Google?
Sure. Okay.
Yeah, so you have an option to search under Google, correct?
Yeah.
Great. So over there, type team. Team like a football team, basketball team. Type team over there.
Yeah.
When you type team, you see team viewer.
Yeah.
Yeah, click on team viewer, sir.
Okay.
And when you click on team viewer, you see a list of links coming under team viewer, correct?
Yeah.
In that you see teamviewer.com.
Yeah.
Yeah, click on teamviewer.com, sir.
Okay.
You see a lady holding a book at the right hand side.
Yeah.
Great. Over there, the left hand side, you see download for private users or something like that. Free.
Yep.
Perfect. Just below that, you see something called as, join remote control session. Just below that.
Mm-hmm.
Click on that, sir.
The join remote control session?
Exactly.
Yeah.
And what does it say?
It's downloading a file right now.
Oh, okay. At the bottom of your screen, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, after it's finished, click on that. At the bottom of the screen.
Okay.
Do you click on that, sir?
Yeah.
Great. Is it asking you to run, save it, cancel, or something like that, right?
Yeah, I already run that. It's launched a program called TeamViewer Quick Support.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, great, sir. Did you get user ID or something like that?
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah, could I have that user ID? What I'm trying to do here is, I'm just going to scan your computer so that I can see what exactly is wrong so that I can help you according to it, okay?
Okay.
What's the user ID you see, sir?
Yeah, it's 465 282 494.
Alright, and what's the password?
It is 8182.
Right, just a second here. Alright, don't do anything, sir. Just sit back. I've taken control over your computer. I'll do it for you, okay?
Okay.
You able to see what I'm doing, sir?
Yeah, yeah.
Perfect.
Are you going to run a program?
No, I've already got got, a scanner here. I'm just gonna scan it, Okay. So I'm just going to install, a supporting software, this Microsoft software, so that I can scan it for you, okay?
Okay.
Is it a computer or a laptop, sir?
It's a laptop, yeah.
A laptop, okay.
Yeah, it's got a smaller screen size. Do you know where I got this pop-up from?
I'm not sure, so that's the reason I'm scanning a computer to see what's wrong.
Okay.
What's the pop-up? Do you know the exact pop-up, what it says?
Yeah, it said there was a virus on my computer.
Okay. So this may take a couple of minutes. If you want, you can grab a cup of coffee. It'll be done by the time.
Okay.
Okay.
It's taking a long time.
Sorry, sir?
It's taking a long time.
Yeah, how old is your laptop, sir?
Well, it's running Windows XP, so I think it's pretty old, yeah.
Okay. It's just a bit slow. That's the reason it's taking so long. Sorry to keep you wait, actually.
Yeah.
It's just going to take a minute or two, not more than that,
Okay.
And I just want to know, did you go to, any unsecured website, like, movie downloads, song downloads, or anything like that? Free online games?
I mean, maybe. I can't remember. Is that where I got infected?
I'm not sure whether that's the only problem you got. You got virus by doing that, but that might also be the problem. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, no.
I can't guarantee you that, that is what has happened. Just trying to say that it will cause the problem. When you go to any unsecured websites, like, websites which are not protected, you get virus through that. So, unless and until I scan a computer, I'm not sure where it came from. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Just place your call on mute. All right. So if you need that, they can ask me. All right, sir.
Yeah.
Just don't think I disconnected the call. All right?
Okay, sure.
Okay.
It's going faster now.
Sorry, sir.
Oh, it's going faster now.
Yeah.
So, are you working for Microsoft?
Yeah, we are a certified technician by Microsoft, so we take care of this problem.
Okay. Are you based in the US?
Yeah, New York.
Okay.
Yeah, it's finished now. So I'm gonna scan your computer. Gonna start the scan. Oh, here it is. You see all these red files?
Yeah.
These are virus, sir. And this came from internet. This came from internet. Okay. This came. You downloaded a software, right? I mean, recently.
Can't recall it was called.
If you download. Okay. Yeah, this came from downloading a software.
Yeah.
Also, but everything are from internets, and the time and date. You see it?
Yeah.
7. Yeah. So this is what is affecting your computer now. I don't see you have any antivirus in your computer. You have any antivirus?
No, no.
Oh, that's a problem. Now when you don't have antivirus, when you download something, virus catches up.
Right. Are these files?
Sorry, sir?
Are these files on my computer?
Yeah, virus and spyware. I mean, malware.
Okay. So, how do we remove this thing?
I can do it for you if you want.
Yeah?
What I'll do is I'll remove the virus and I can give you an antivirus as well. Okay? I'll tell you how it works. I believe you might have heard about Norton antivirus, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. talking about, it's a bit one step further than Norton. All right.
Okay.
I'll tell you how it works. In Norton, you will have to scan your computer, and you'll have to. Then it shows the virus, and you take it off, right?
Right.
Over here, you don't have to scan your computer each and every time. Whenever you get virus, it gets rid of it automatically. All right.
Okay.
And it saves you time and energy, as you know. And it's valid for 1 full year. Okay. And
Yeah.
the antivirus I'm giving you, it's valid for 3 computers. You can install it in 3 computers. In your laptop, if you have a desktop, you can do it.
Okay.
It's valid for 3 computers. And for the next 1 year, you get technical support free of cost. If you want to call us back and if you have any problems or anything, we'll do it free of cost as well. Okay.
Okay. Is that the same?
3 months.
Is it the same phone number that I called?
Yeah.
Okay.
And in every 3 months, once in every 3 months, you will get a call from a maintenance team, all right? A
Yeah.
Microsoft team, certified team. They will ask you and they will call you and they'll tell you how it's working and all those things, all right?
Right.
So, it saves you, time and energy, and it can also clean up the virus for you.
Yeah.
And it's only going to cost you like $180, and it's for 1 full year, okay? And after a year, if you want to renew it, you will get a pop-up in your computer saying that this antivirus is, expired. If you want to renew it, call this number as well, okay?
Okay.
So if you want, I can do that for you, sir.
Yeah, I mean that sounds good. And where do I buy it from?
I'll do it right away. I'll clean up the virus right away. I'll install the virus right away, antivirus for you right away as well. Everything will be done in this call, don't worry. Okay. So just stay connected, sir. Let me do it for you. Oh, are you doing it?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. Don't do anything, sir. I'll do it for you, Connection is lost, I think. Alright. Could I have the password again, sir?
Yeah, I think I've changed my.
TeamViewer password connect.
Yeah, I think I've changed my mind because I don't think this is a virus, really.
Oh, that's a virus, sir. That came from internet, as I showed you.
Yeah, but I think you've called the wrong person because I actually work for an anti-malware company, and I kind of know about viruses and malware, and the scan was a bit too quick to detect something in 5 seconds, right?
Yeah, but you don't have too much installed on your computer. You see, you only have I didn't scan your entire computer, sir, okay? It's just, the C file, the C folder.
Right. Well, I mean, again, this was a virtual machine that you were into, which was perfectly clean. So, there's not really much you could find, and it's kind of interesting that you found a virus on a virtual machine that was perfectly clean. Kind of a fun experience for me. And again, that pop-up was fake, and I know it. I saw the disclaimer at the bottom. It said it was a game or something like that, not to trust it. So I thought I would call the number to see, what kind of things that you guys would be selling me. And, for $180 for something that doesn't exist is a little bit expensive, I think. And I mean, unfortunately, you won't be getting my money today, and you'll probably get money from other people that don't know much about computers. But I think you've called the wrong guy, and you're probably not in New York. You're probably in some India or some other country like this. So anyway, it was nice talking to you, and
Sure.
yeah, go ahead.
No problem, sir. I was just trying to listen to you,
Yep. So again, I mean, you're probably, your program, I have it here, Guard Scanner. It's an interesting program with definition database here. Actually, I'm going to run it again if you don't mind. I'm going to start the scan. Yeah. See, these registry keys don't actually exist. Right?
Okay.
Like, I could search my registry for those keys. They don't exist. They're totally made up. You're aware of that, right?
Yeah, I'm aware of it,
So,
But
what?
I'm not trying to, I didn't force you to get anything. It's you who called me, and if you want, you can take it, or else, you're under no way obligated.
Right. No, I understand that. I did call you. The only thing I have a problem with right now is your program here is not working properly. Right? It's telling me something is infected in red, but those keys don't exist. So that's why I have the problem. I mean, if the program was actually working and detecting, real viruses, I'd be sure, I'll give you my money. But in this case, I mean, the program is not working properly. I mean, did you make this program?
It's not that we got it from Microsoft. Since, we are hired to do this job, we got it from them. Not sure.
You mean Microsoft built this for you?
Yeah, we are working for them, so.
Yeah, I kind of doubt Microsoft. I mean, I do use their Security Essentials product, which is free, and it's pretty good, all things considered. Um, but I seriously doubt that Microsoft would make something like that. Um, I mean, this looks like a makeshift program that somebody made in their basement. No offense, but it doesn't look very professional, right?
Okay. No,
So,
I don't know what's wrong because the antivirus and the spyware department is located in New York, and that's where we work. So if you get the pop-up, when you call that number, it reaches to us.
right. Are you guys making the pop-ups too?
No, sir.
Because I mean, the pop-up. I read the pop-up, and it's interesting because there is a fine print at the bottom of the pop-up. And if you do read the fine print, it basically says, don't believe anything that's there. It's just a joke, right? So I mean, the pop-up does, it does say you're infected. It's flashing. It's in red. But if you do read the fine print, apparently it's fake. So they don't even take it seriously. So I'm kind of surprised here.
No, my job here is when you call that number, my job is to scan your computer and see what's wrong. So when you say that, that particular thing is, that key and all is not registered and all those things, I mean, I'm not sure, so you will have to speak to Microsoft, because we work for them.
You work for them?
Yes. We as I told you, the virus and spyware department is located in New York, so that's the reason you reached us.
Right. Right. Microsoft is in on the West Coast, right? Like Microsoft is not in New York.
No, the antivirus department is over here.
Ah, okay. Well, I would suggest that.
And all those things.
Yeah.
Sorry?
Yeah, I would just suggest that if you want to make this, more legitimate, at least use a program that does scan properly without fake entries like this, because I mean, this has no value for the customer. If you want to get the customer something that actually helps their PC, make a program that actually works. And the scan was way too fast. Like you're gonna make it at least 5 minutes so it looks credible. Otherwise, if it's 5 seconds, I can't really trust it. And there's a couple of typos as well in the thread ID column, like variant. I think there's a typo in the word. So things like that. I think you should try and make it a little better. So.
Personally take this advice, and I'll pass this information to my boss, and also pass this information to the Microsoft admin department.
Right.
And let's see what we can do.
Okay, well that's great. And again, I'm sorry I didn't pay the 180 I think you were offering, but
No, you're under no way obligated, sir. It's my job to let you know. Since you know everything about computers, I personally take your advice. Thank you.
Right, right. But yeah, just keep that in mind. I mean, unfortunately, there's people out there that don't know much about computers, and if you tell them, this is bad and it's red, they're gonna believe you, and they're gonna give you $180, and I mean, you're scamming people basically that they may not have a lot of money to begin with, and you're ripping them off. So that's not really ethics wise, it's not a really nice thing to do. There's better things to do in this world, to make life better and such. So
Right.
that's just my
Yeah,
advice for the day. So
definitely.
you have a good day. All right.
Sure. Really appreciate it. Thanks.
I appreciate it too. That was fun. Okay. Bye.